Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know I look crazy, but we're gonna look good in just a second. So today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair. They did send over to me this unit that I'm about to install and just like review for y'all. And this unit is a VPART unit. Once I come on here, my makeup done and everything, you already know it's an easy like unit or hairstyle. So my hair looks real crazy. I know I'm just gonna slip a wig cap over this and possibly do a little bit of like edge control just to hold my edges down. This hair is a curly hair. It is colored. Oh Lord, it got some browns and stuff in it, so we gonna see how that looks. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. This video is gonna be a quick like in and out kind of video. Like, yep, this is the hair. It is black with number 30. This is the hair. It is 24 inches. It's FB30. I don't know how I feel about the color, but we're just gonna do it. And it's a typical V part with all your combs here and also the combs in the back, as well as adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna put a wig cap on and do my edges just a little bit. Not really do them, but just like slick my hair back so it doesn't look crazy. And then we're gonna put our V part on. It's a really easy unit to put on. You can always braid your hair down if you so desire, just so you have anchors to put your actual wig in. And I am using some edge control just to slick my hair down. I'm really not trying to do my hair, if I'm being honest with you, because yeah, my hair is not cooperating right now, my actual natural hairs, and we're not gonna talk about it. You just gotta stay tuned to my channel because I'm about to do something with my hair because it's not working out.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
And you are free to put as much edge control as you want on your hair. I'm trying to not put edge control on my hair because I just washed my hair before this and I don't want all the products in my hair, so I'm just gonna finesse this wig without doing all the extra stuff, okay?
She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go.
So this is what it's looking like thus far, and as you can see, I didn't do anything special. I didn't do a braid pattern. I'm just like leaving it as is, and then I'm gonna play with the roots and also put a little edge control on my hair, and then I'm gonna comb it out and we're gonna be done. Like, it's literally that simple. If you wanted to, you could leave your hair out, but for these textures, it's so hard to get my hair to match, so I would much rather not leave my hair out.
Whenever she leaves her safe space, she leaves her safe space.
Guys, this is what it's looking like. It's given Beyonce. I don't know if it's the colors of the hair, but this is what it's giving. I wanted to do it without actually leaving any of my hair out, so just in case you guys wanted to do a V part with no hair out, this is what it would look like. I really love the curls. The color actually looks nice once you comb it out and have it like fluff up. It looks really nice, and it is 100% human hair, so you can put hair products, whatever you want to do. You can do like a curly girl method. I didn't want to do any of that. I just wanted a nice kind of like puffy, messy look. Easy this is. Like, it's so simple, and you can just get up and go. If you don't mind wearing it like this, you can, but for me, I prefer having some hair out on the part. But because of the texture, you're gonna have to blend your hair. The hair itself is just pretty nice. Like, it's really pretty nice. It's a good amount of hair. It got like mad body. Like, it looks really good. Like, I love the hair. The hair for me is nice. It's just on your blending, you gotta get your blend together. Okay guys, so I did try doing it with my hair out, but it was not working for me. Like, my hair is just acting really retarded right now, so it wasn't given what it was supposed to give, so I just put the hair back in. So this is really what it's looking like without having any kind of hair out, and this is how I will personally wear it because of my hair situation right now. But definitely you get this unit, you can leave your hair out so it looks more like of like a sew-in kind of vibe. It'll give you, yeah, like a U-part kind of sew-in vibe if you leave your hair out. But with the V-part, you know, you leave less hair out and it's like closer together, so you don't have to worry about doing all that blending. Or you could be like me right now, wearing it just like this because we ain't got no leave out to give. So this is the hair. Let me know your thoughts down below. Shout outs to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, girl, and become a part of the CK gang. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me